Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Databricks Workspace SSO with Azure AD, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Databricks Workspace SSO with Azure AD, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select Enterprise Applications from the sidebar menu. Click on New Application to create a new application. In the search bar, type Databricks and select the Databricks application from the results. Once the application is created, go to the Single Sign-On section. Choose the SAML option to configure SSO. In the Basic SAML Configuration section, click on Edit. For the identifier, enter your Databricks Workspace URL. For the reply URL, use the format https:// your Databricks instance #/workspace/. Set the sign-on URL to the same URL as your workspace. Scroll down and edit the user attributes and claims section. Ensure the name ID is set to the user's email address. Next, select Create User to assign users to the application. Add individual users or groups, depending on your organization structure. Now, go back to the single sign-on page and download the Federation Metadata XML. Switch to the Databricks Workspace. In Databricks, go to Workspace Settings. Find the Single Sign-On section. Upload the Federation Metadata XML you downloaded from Azure. Configure the necessary parameters, such as username and user email. Save the settings to apply the configuration. Next, test the SSO functionality by attempting to log in through Azure AD. Verify that you are redirected to Azure for authentication and can successfully access your Databricks workspace. If issues arise, check the configurations in both Azure AD and Databricks for discrepancies. Ensure that user permissions in Databricks align with the Azure AD user assignments. Once verified, you have successfully enabled SSO for Databricks using Azure AD. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.